Okay, so I'm going to talk to you about bee breath in this video today. Okay. Okay, so bee breath. What is bee breath? It's a breath which actually is quite amazing in just in the way you do it is very cool, but also what it does for your body and mind is pretty amazing. And I've worked with people who have had extreme anxiety before. I've also worked with people who have had like headachy type issues as well, and even people who have got no clarity. This breath is amazing, and you can do it as like a little one-off thing to just get rid of a headache or just get rid of a foggy head, or you can make it part of your daily practice. It's entirely up to you, but it's amazing. And yes, it's called bee breath. In this video I'm just going to do the breath, but in a future one I will actually do the mudra that go with it as well, because you place the fingers on the head. But just for now I'm going to do the breath on its own. Okay, so the idea of bee breath is that you get a hum going, which sounds like a bee. That's why it's called bee breath. And what that does, it creates a vibration around the whole of this area of your head. So it gets right up into the sinuses, it gets right up into the head, and you might even be able to get it to the back of the head if your bee breath is strong enough. But it is a practice, so you start where you begin. What does that mean? It means that if you can only do this a little bit, then that's where you start. Don't try and do it for 10 minutes if you've never done it before, because that really won't be helpful. Now, if you want to look at a video where I talk about how to breathe properly, because you do need to figure that out, before you get onto these particular breath exercises or techniques, then that video is either up there or it'll be on the end. It might even be both on the end of this particular video. Okay, so bee breath. So what you want to do is you want to bring the lips together, but not pressing them down. So it's very light touch, both lips. And we're going to breathe in, and then as we breathe out, it's like the focus is here, but also here. Okay, so I want you to see how you go. So we're going to breathe in, and it's like a sound. Okay, so breathe in. So the sound is very forward, if that makes sense, and it's all here. Okay, so we're going to do that again. Breathe in. Light touch of both lips. So what you want to get is slightly tickly lips, and it's like they go not numb, but you get that funny feeling in your lips, yeah? And you should get a vibration the whole way around, all around here. Yeah, you might even get it around your jaw, and you might even get it in the back of your head. If you practice that particular breath regularly enough, you will get that sound right to the back of your head. Okay, so bee breath, it is amazing. It's an amazing breath technique anyway, yeah, but what it can do, and what I've found with people that I've worked with, it really helps with anxiety. Okay, it is fantastic for anxiety. It's also really good if you've got a headache and nothing else seems to be shifting it. Try bee breath. Yeah, it's really good if you've got a slightly foggy head, so it's really good in the morning. But as you go through the day, maybe after lunch, when you're sitting at your desk, and you could do this at your desk if you're not that fussed about what people think, or you can go outside and do it, whatever, do it wherever. And that's what I love about pranayama. You can do it anywhere, doesn't matter where you are. Yeah. It's also really good for if you are a singer, or if you are an actor, or like a voiceover artist. That particular breath, it kind of warms everything up. If that makes any sense at all. It might make sense to you, it might not. So it's really good at kind of warming up the whole face, yeah, and that particular area. Because something that I was told when I started having singing lessons was to use the space that I naturally have when I sing. Yeah, I'm like, what does that mean? She says, well, you got a big mouth. I'm like, oh, okay. So what you're essentially doing is you are activating, those areas where sound will resonate. So that's the mouth, the sinuses, and the whole of the head. It's an amazing place to resonate sound. Yeah, that's bee breath. And like I say, in another video, what I'm going to do is include the mudra in this as well. But for now, just focus on the bee breath. So if you get those things come up, just go, oh yeah, I'm going to go and be like a bee. Okay. So if you like this video and you want to catch us on another platform, we are all over the place. So under the Witch's Path, we are on MeWe. There's a page and a group on MeWe. There is also obviously this channel, YouTube. We're also on Pinterest. We are also on Soundcloud. There's some really cool stuff there on Soundcloud, including some of our kind of radio play type stuff. We also have, because we love crystals, so we have an amazing YouTube channel which I'm going to be adding content to very shortly, called Crystals Rock. And then we do have a website as well, crystalsrockearth.weebly.com, where it's kind of a work in progress, but the main bits are on there. So if you want to sign up for the healing work with Sekhmet, you can do that on the Sekhmet page on that website. I don't think we're anywhere else. Oh, we're on Patreon. So if you want to access our courses, so we do a Witchcraft 101, kind of basics of witchcraft, and then we do the advanced witchcraft. If you want to access those courses for a very small subscription fee, so if you can't pay for the courses outright or via payment plan, you can do that on Patreon with a subscription, which is very affordable. That's on Patreon under the Witch's Path as well. Okay, so we'd love to see you wherever we are, wherever we go. We'd love to see you. Feel free to comment under this video. Please like it if you liked it. If you didn't, then don't like it. Share, if you feel that other people could benefit from this video, absolutely share it out. But for now, that's it. Be breath. So I'm going to say be fearless, stay witchy, and namaste.